Yes, this is a short video to help you create your first class notebook. So the first thing is to go to One Class Notebook. So open Class Notebook. Then Welcome to Class Notebook opens. Then go to Create a Class Notebook. Click on this. Okay, so you have a number of steps here to go through. In this case, I'm going to create class notebook for secondary strand teachers. So secondary strand. Okay, so that is a name. Instead of students, I'm doing it for teachers now. So click on next. Then you have all these defaults that is set for you. You don't really do anything here. You just have to click on next. So every teacher inside the One Notebook Office 365 has an email address. So what you do is go and look for the address. And so for instance, I'm looking for Bismarck comes up. So I will add Bismarck, go for the next person. Let's say Nana comes up in Zali. Right, so I mean, after populating all the teachers, you click on next. Now it's still asking, now what are your students' names? You go next. Then there are these defaults. I mean, if you want to add anything like let's say discussion board, you can add discussion boards and click on next. Right, so you have come to almost the final stage and create. It will take a few minutes, so you just wait. Now you have the class set up. Okay, if you wish to download add-ins, I have it on my computer already. So if you don't wish to download this, you just have to go back to OneNote and you go to Class Notebook and you go to Manage Notebooks, and you will see all the existing plus the new class notebook that I have created for secondary strand. So you can see secondary strand is here. So if I want to create a new lesson for the students, I'll go to open in OneNote online. So I will open this one and I now have a fresh class notebook to work on. Now when you get to this stage, this is where you are going to create a lesson, an interactive lesson where you can share with students. You have the welcome page, which is currently showing, and you have the collaboration space. That is where all students and teachers have access and can share information. That is open to all. Okay, so that is it. So when you come to this end, you have existing notebook, but let us work on how we can create a new notebook for our class. So welcome collaboration using then contents library. Contents library is where you set all your lessons. So you can create one here. But to create a section, you can see the plus sign here. So you can call it secondary strand term 2. Okay, so this is the section you are creating for secondary strand. Okay, so click on OK. Now this is the secondary strand, as you can see on top here. You can see clearly. If I go here and pick up a draw, pick up a pen, you can see the secondary strand here. You can see the secondary strand here. It's very clear. Right, it's misbehaving now, so let me just get rid of it. We can see it here, so no problem. Okay, so here I'll call it lesson 1. Okay, so it won't work here, but it will work there. That's fine. So let me type. So I'll go here. Let's say lesson 1. Lesson 1. If I want to rub, I'll rub here. Okay. So this is how you create your class notebook. So over here you can set your learning objective. So let's stop here and go into working with creating interactive lesson. I'm going to show you a template that I've been using for my lessons, and I'll also show you an example of a lesson I have created so that we have a model to look at and to work on. Thank you very much.